Hello viewers, and welcome once again to the home of beautiful cars, where we have this extraordinary Bentley that has just arrived. It could be mistaken for brand new, but it's a 2006 Bentley Continental GT W12 in the magnificent Silver Tempest Duca with the Mulliner wheels. This car presents still as new. Only travelled 67,000 kilometres. An incredible world-class Bentley Continental GT has just arrived at the home of beautiful cars. And it's going to be under $80,000. You heard correct. A world-class Bentley that looks like it's worth $500,000 for $80,000. Australia-wide delivery, finance arranged, trade-ins accepted. Sensational.